Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to delete your story on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the TikTok account. So here you go, and then from here you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right side. So tap on that, and again from here you need to tap on the profile icon on your side. So just tap on the profile, and as you can see we got the story. So from here, how you can delete the profile, how you can delete this is very simple. You need to slide up, all right? Just slide it up, and this will open up this delete icon on the bottom left side. So tap on the delete icon, and then a pop-up will show up. So again, you need to tap on the delete option right over here, and your story will be deleted. So that's how you can simply delete a story on TikTok. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.